Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals and triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The integration of dz, we have z, and we put the bounds from 2y to 1 plus y squared. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we know that 1 plus y squared minus 2y, that is about identities. So the integration of this one we have. So in this situation I will put like this, y minus 1. So we have s y minus 1 to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to 1 minus s. So we put 1 minus s gone here and number 0 gone here. And we have like this. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative with the power 3, we have negative s to the power of 3 over 3. Negative and negative, we have positive. So s multiplied by this one and this one. So the integration of s to the power of 4, we have s to the power of 5, and we have number 3 multiplied by number 5 in here. This one we have s squared, and number 2 with number 3 we have number 6. So this one I will put about 15. Now I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. We calculate and we have 1 over 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.